Hi there, I'm Alex, and I'm here to discuss the benefits of sensor lights. We all know the struggle of coming home at night with an armful of groceries and bags, all while struggling to find the keyhole in the dark. With sensor lights, you don't have to worry anymore. Sensor lights detect movement and can light up your front door, porch or driveway, making coming home in the dark easy and convenient. Sensor lights also provide additional energy efficiency. Instead of turning your outdoor lights on the whole time you're out, it will only light up when detecting motion. On top of convenience, sensor lights are a great part of home security system. Not only will your sensor lights discourage intruders from entering your home, you also feel safe arriving home after dark to take out the bins. You can even choose a system that is paired with an app, so you can easily control it from your phone wherever you are. To experience these benefits yourself, give Metropolitan a call on 1300 157 706. You can have an experienced electrician at your home for same-day service.